Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to replace ink cartridges in HP and White 6120E. Make sure that your printer is powered on and then find this notch on the right side on the printer and push it up and lift the scanning unit until it gets fixed like this. Now you can see the cartridge holder. The right slot is for black cartridge and the left slot is for color one. Now you need to eject the old cartridges. To do this, just push down on the cartridge like this and easily remove it. Then unbox the new cartridges and remove the protection film from them. There is a protection film here with the orange ribbon. You need to pull this ribbon and remove the film. And make sure you don't touch these contacts and the printing head with your fingers, otherwise you can spoil the cartridge forever. Next, place the cartridge so that the text label is placed correctly, like this, not upside down, not like this. And put the cartridge into the correct slot, into the right slot. Black is for black. And repeat the same steps for the color cartridge. Put like this and then push the cartridge towards and up until it clicks in the place. Just towards and up, just a little bit, like this. And make sure the cartridges are not wobble in the place. And now you can close the scanning unit. Do it gently and softly, and your printer is ready to work. It makes some robotic sounds inside. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, thumbs up, and be awesome. Bye guys.